Okay guys, what you're looking at is a very nice little Fender Squire, right? I'm going to do a setup on this and take care of some screechy little pots it's got. And of course first we do the new strings, of course on all of them. And we also do the cleanup on the fretboard with some oil, with some linseed oil. Strings out. This one's going to be persnickety. Now they all are. Okay, so a couple of strings are going to be a pain in the buttsky. Let's see what's going on with them. It's not too bad. Get them out and get them straightened out. They come right out. What you're trying to do is put a backside loop on this so you have something to push against. It's not the tip of the string itself. Come out just like that. Of course, I do not recommend stringing up a guitar like that. That's a bad idea. There's no need to do it. Yeah, no? Because on stage it'd be near impossible to change those things out. Okay, so he wants tens in here, so we'll get him some new good area tens. Look just like this. Okay, so we'll put those new ones on there for him, but in the meantime, first things first, get the oil on this fretboard. That's set up. And this one I think has the scratchy potentiometer 3-way switches on. I have to get in there and put on some deoxit liquid, get that fixed up. Alright, get that board done. The guitar's seen some playing, I tell you that. Got a lot of fret wear on it. Sooner or later it's going to need a recrown. Put a recrown, buddy. Oh, when you get those cowboy chord marks that deep in the frets, you're playing flat notes. And that will throw your playing off. You take a look. We'll zoom in on this. The biggest fenders, see out there? As those go deeper, no, that's just press against, and you're playing flat to notes or semi-flat notes. String's not been stretched enough. Okay, if that makes any sense whatsoever. We're going to give some time to soak into the fretboard. And this is real rosewood. This is let's see what year is this guitar? Made in Indonesia. Maybe in 1998? Oh, maybe 05. It's like an 05. Nice little guitar. 05 is more like it. The color and the neck was 98. It'd really be worn out looking. This looks pretty nice. 05 is about right with all the wear on it. It's been taken care of. You know, no really big major dings or dents in it. Cut away and we'll come back and take the oil off the extra. Okay, as you can see, a lot of that oil just soaked right in. Majority of it. Let's mop off any extra we got left. You know, down here is hardly any extra. This is really needing it. The most is right up here on the first few frets. That really needed some work on it. Needed that oil. And we'll just take off the extra, make it nice and shiny. and clean again. Alrighty. Now, let's check that, not very dirty at all, see? Let's check the relief on this guitar, see what we got. It's going to be a Fender type of setup on it. Oh brother, it's not any at all. This thing is flat as a flitter, guys. I mean really flat. It's mentioned fret buzzing on it. Whoopsie. Didn't mention any fret buzzing on it, so I had to go back and check that, see if it does fret buzz on us. And maybe have to adjust those saddles down there for more just intonation. You all know how the way I work. I just raise them up and lower them down until we get it right on the action that we want. And he wants as low as actions he can get on there, I'm sure. You know? Okay, so let's get on cleaning these frets up. And I won't bore you all to tears by making you watch me do each and every one of these frets. We're going to start off with a 400, probably finish with a 200 on these. These are older guitars, so I think double whammy is required here. Get my tools out that I'll be needing later on. There's one I hardly ever use, a 1200. Well, I got that one. Well, it looks like I'll have to pour the bucket of shame out. Let's see if I can't find that 200 in here somewhere. I know it's here somewhere. Come on, baby. Where is you? There you are underneath everything. Okay, so let's get them all out while we're at it. Alright, so there all four of them are. Now I understand the people talking that they've come up with one more extra fret eraser, which I find kind of surprising. But you know, I'll be needing you later. I'll be needing you later. I will not need a Floyd Rose tool or Chuck tool to press the frets down with. It's the last thing I need. Alright, so I need the 220 and the 400 to work with. Start with the 220. One of these days I'll use the 4000. I don't know what for. I need to erase pencil marks, but it's not very useful. Alright, 200. Here we go, guys. Ha! Forgot one thing. Something that's very necessary to keep this thing from moving about. The neck chuck. Ta-da! Gotta have that. Otherwise, this neck goes bobbing all over the place. Okay, now. There we are. Much better. See all that nice and shiny? Really shines up. Look at that. Wow. Of course, you can't see squat because my hands are in the way. Now look at it. You know how nice shiny those two are? Whoa. Let's go like this. Can you see it now? Yeah, you can see it now. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it makes it real shiny. Well, while it's doing this, also make them smooth as much as possible. It will never take out those cowboy cord indentions. You could rub and erase and rub-a-dub-dub. So you came home with a tub and it's not going to get those nut holes out. Alright? Alright, well the strings are off this guitar. We're going to give it a nice rub down, clean up. Doesn't need much. Pretty clean as it is. And it's hard to hide dirt behind a off-white guitar. Those cracks in the pickups, those are just marks. Those are cracks. Okay, well, it happens. Yep, older pickup covers will crack in time. Heat and hand movement and banging on them. just gigging all around, yeah. That kind of stuff wears and tears on plastic like anything else. All that dirt out there, that crack. Okay, yeah. Hear that? His volume and his 5-way are messing up. Oh boy. See what that means, don't you? He's taking off this pick guard and going to it with some Deox liquid. Oh joy. Okay, so when we talk about Deox, we don't spray it on there. Unfortunately, I've come to find out that the Deox sprays have all kinds of impurities in them, along with all kinds of other fluorocarbon junk that it's not filtered out for some reason. So we use this only, okay? Whoa! And I'm sure if you think about it, it makes perfectly good sense. That's what you use. Hang in there, guys. Well, first things first, let's get that cover off. Get these pots sprayed down. This guitar here, get these things fixed. This should just about do it. Everything else will be attached, I think, to the pick guard. Yep, here we go. And one lift, and there she is. Ta-da! Of course, you can't see squat because it's opening up the wrong way. Okay, so I have to bring this around a different way, guys. At least with the guitar, I have to shift this around. Oh, I'm stiff and sore today. Open up just like that. See that? See the insides? Ta-da! Can't lift it too high, I'll pull it loose. See all this? That's the offending little jewel there, and there's the other one right there. And right here. So, we're going to put some Deox on both those little parts. I'm trying to think what's the best way to get to them without pulling on anything. Just like that. And this way, I can set this up and lean it against my neck chuck. Ah, there, extra set of hands. Okay, so the switch is where I want to get to on the 5-way on the front. And pretty much just drip some stuff in there. And this volume is right here on this little tiny part here, and there's an opening right there. I can drip that in there. Let's see what that does. Of course, I didn't know I had the original old pots on there. I may have to go in there with some spray after all, which I hate to do. And let it drip down in there. I really want to come to the front end of this, not the back end. But it's just going in there. It's not coming out the side or off the bottom, at least. And right now it's spinning it. Trying to help that stuff out some. If I can lift it a little bit more this way. Get to that. Yeah, there we go. There's a little opening there I really want to get at after. But it's not going to be easy. I have to hold this thing up for me. My little brush will reach that far. Try to get inside of that. Nope. It's just too close on that doggone thing. The wiring to the jack is just too close. It's not long enough to do what I want to do. You think if I were to take just what I needed, my little pipette, right, and just get a little bit inside my pipette instead of with my brush, if I can get in there and get at it. Let's see. Maybe not. Yes, I can. Right there is where we can go in. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can see us or not. There she is. Now I can get in there with just a little couple of drops of this. Now, like this. Ta-da! Now if I can just move that around real quick. Yes. I can already feel that. That should be loosening up pretty well. Now if not, I can always take that knob off and spray you down, you little offender. You. Alright, now for the 5-way. I think the best thing is go ahead and take that off the thingamabob, off the pick guard. Just get it loose and do it. Save myself the heartache and heartbreak of it falling outside the body of this thing. Not doing any good at all. Okay. Ta-da. Alright, now you can see this or not. There it is. And I'll put just some drops down inside that with my brush and wiggle it around. So it takes care of any of that nasty crunch sound you keep hearing. And this is right on the arm itself is where I get it. So it'll flow down into the inner workings of this. Like that. Now don't wear those contacts out. I just want to get them kind of covered with this. You also do that, I need to turn it upside down like that. Do it a few times. And that is it. Alright, that should do it. If not, I've got to use a spray. Okay, I hate using that stuff, but you know, in a pinch, it does help. I think it's nasty stuff. And it should be used only in cases of I can't get my brush there. Okay guys, well we're finished with the little Squire fender, right? You got rid of that nasty little, you know, thing with the knobs. No more buzzing cousin. Of course the volume knob's a little bit worn out. May need to replace that sooner or later. That's working. So, any questions, give me a holler. Dave in Texas. Bye.